capitalist world.
He wants to know about Hazur's views about the end of the capitalist world, and is that really very near?
Capitalist world is breaking down evidently. There is no single power now which is supreme anymore. America used to be the representative of capitalist world, but now there is a center in Germany, and possibly Germany will rise as the new capital of the European power. And similarly there are other centers like Japanese, which are also representatives of capital world. Then there is communist world, China, etc., etc. So things are breaking down and splitting, and Allah knows best when it will happen. But I think the Third World War, as has been predicted in Surah Taha, is inevitable. And after the Third World War, inshallah, Ahmadiyyat Islam will spread all over the world.